We believe that the purity of produce stems right from the soil in which it is grown. At our permaculture organic farm, we nurture our soil to capture the full potency of Mother Earth in our herbal supplements. The ancient wisdom of herbal supplements has always been of great importance to our family, and it's our fundamental belief that we should consume only pure and natural foods. My father experienced the incredible benefits of herbal supplements firsthand. He had repeated bouts of malaria over a period of 5 years. After being recommended a herbal supplement, his immune response improved and the repeated bouts of malaria stopped. This is just one example of how herbal supplements can help.
Our Dhow Nature Wellness range is absolutely pure and organic with full traceability of the product. We know exactly where it is grown. These vegan herbal supplement capsules offer a convenient, natural, and pure way to a healthy lifestyle in today's hectic world. Made in the highest hygiene conditions to world-class standards, these capsules will contribute to social well-being and health.
With us,
You choose for impact.